I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, why is gold more bullish than silver is right now? And why is gold hitting new all-time highs when silver is staying right where it is and almost looking like it's getting ready to roll over? So there are two exact reasons why this is happening, and I'm going to tell you both of those reasons inside of this video as quickly as possible so that you can make sure that you are positioned for this like we are positioned for this inside of Nordic Alpha. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader and I am a commodities expert. I have a documented 91.5% live tracked win rate on just gold and silver. You can go and check it out anytime. It's got all of the times and links to the times that I called these levels out and all that type of stuff. And if you want to take action on this information, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is $29 a month right now. It is less than $1 a day. This is absolutely where we are taking action on a daily basis, giving out trade setups and telling people the actual levels and the technicals on gold and silver from a short-term and a long-term perspective. So even if you're an investor like I am, right? Majority of my net worth is in both of these assets. Nordic Alpha is the place for you because we are giving out all of that sauce. Now, let's talk about exactly why this is happening and why gold, in my opinion, okay, that does not mean that silver is not bullish. Gold is more bullish than silver is right now at this moment in time. There are two reasons for this. One, if you are following the futures margin requirements, I know a lot of people don't follow this stuff, right? The future margin requirements for silver went up just a few weeks ago, right? And then they took the margins up for gold, platinum, palladium, all of them, all at the same time. Then they did it again, okay? Silver went down about 15% in that day, right? It was crazy. Then they did it again a few days later, again, raised gold, platinum, palladium, raised all of the metals margin requirements, meaning that when you are taking a position inside of the futures markets on these metals, you have to have a certain balance inside of your account so that you can manage that position, because that position is on margin. You're only paying a certain amount of that position's full size. So for example, silver, a micro silver contract is 1,000 ounces of silver. Do you have any idea how much money that is right now? That is literally $93,000 right now because silver's at 93 bucks. So you only have to have, how do you trade that with 5 grand in your account? Well, now it's almost impossible to do, but it used to be that you would have a margin requirement that said, hey, you have to have at least this balance in your account to be able to do this, right? It's a maintenance requirement. Now, they raised those requirements, the margin requirements on CME 3 different times. And on this last time that they just raised it just now, right? They actually raised silver, and it's an astronomical rate at which they've raised silver, and they lowered gold. So what are they doing? They're telling you, hey, we're trying to suppress silver. We're trying to get out of silver, right? We're trying to make sure that people stop buying silver, okay? And you can get all, you know, conspiracy and all that type of stuff. I'm not gonna say the word on YouTube because my video will get flagged, but pompiracy, right? And then they lowered the margins on gold saying, hey, you should stop trading this, right? And start trading this. That was their kind of like tip of the hat to tell you, we're gonna pump gold, right? And we want you to pump gold. We want you to buy our bags of gold, right? We want that to happen, okay? Raise our requirements or our, you know, assets under management and what they're worth. Now, the second reason why gold is pumping and silver isn't, and I know what a lot of people are gonna say after I say this, so I'm gonna rebut it immediately after I say this. Central banks, period. There has never been a higher demand for gold in our lifetime than we're seeing right now. Maybe back in the 70s, right? When they came off of the gold standard and people were freaking out because of inflation. Maybe, right? But in times of economic uncertainty, gold goes through the roof. In times of political turmoil, gold goes through the roof. That's what's happening right now. And the central banks are the ones that are buying it. every single month and every single year. They have bought more gold in the last, I think it was 5 years than they had in the previous 50 combined. Or maybe it was 10 years than the past previous 50 combined. Pretty insane. Over 1,000 tons on average per year over these past 3 to 5 years. That's insane. Those are big numbers. Silver is not being bought by central banks. Silver's demand is entirely industrial, okay? And obviously retail, right? It is not a reserve requirement. It is not a tier 1 asset like gold is now, okay? So there's a reason why gold is the one that's getting, hey, go ahead and keep going up, right? And they're trying to suppress silver, okay? Because at some point, silver gets to be so expensive that it prices itself out of the industrial market, just as gold did before. Now, I'm not saying that does not mean that silver's gonna go down to 50 bucks. That does not mean silver's even going to 60 or 70 bucks, right? But what I am saying is that is why I have over $5,000 price targets on gold, right? Near term. And I do not have the same type of bullish nature on silver near term in the same exact time frame, right? Gold is more bullish than silver is for those reasons. Because when big money is accumulating at these levels, you have to take notice of that, right? When big money is telling you and making it easier for you to trade that asset, that is telling you something. They're not making it easier for you so that you can get out of your positions. They're making it easier for you so that you can get into positions. Whereas with silver, they're making it harder for you so that you do get out of your positions. They don't want you long on silver right now, but they want you long on gold. So when you know that and you understand that, that's when you start to understand what's going on behind the scenes. Now, there's a lot of things that I cannot mention in this video and on this platform in particular, for good reason, okay? And I think you're kind of understanding where I'm going with that. So obviously, this is all, everything that I stated in here is for information and educational purposes only. If you want the full story, click the first link in the description. It'll take you to a page on my website that gives you the full story in literally less than 15 minutes. 15 minutes of your time to understand why gold is so bullish. 15 minutes of your time to understand everything that's happening in the background and moving against you. Probably a 15 minutes well spent, okay? And if you want to take action on this, do it in the group that we're already doing this in every single day. It is Nordic Alpha. It is the second link in the description. It is the least expensive you will ever see it. That I can assure you. I will see you inside of the group. If you like content like this, just do me one thing. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell, because I'm gonna be dropping a lot more bombs about this in the coming videos, and I assure you, you do not want to miss them. Go to that page, check out what's going on, understand what's going on in the background, come back over here. I will see you all soon. I appreciate you. Much love.